Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2021. I did take a little bit of a break after Vlogmas and for the holidays, but it does feel good to be back. I'm ready, trying to get myself into gear. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys the Curlsmith Scalp Recipe curl routine. I guess this is kind of like a first impression, but I really just wanted to show you guys how these products work on my hair. So in addition to the wash day, I did film a refresh this morning as well. I know you guys really enjoy that, so I always try to add that in to my reviews, first impressions. Really quick, before we actually get into the styling portion, I wanted to talk about the products a little bit. So I have two products from the Scalp Recipe line here, the Weightless Air Dry Cream and the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. If you guys know me, you know I love a weightless product, so I was very excited to try these. So if you are unfamiliar with Curlsmith, they are a CG friendly brand. So this is free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils, phthalates, and DEA. These two products in particular are formulated with ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, green tea brew, thyme leaf oil, lavender flowers, babasu seed oil, grated ginger. But anyway, so there are a lot of really good ingredients in here. I will have these products linked if you want to check them out as always. So the Weightless Air Dry Cream is a leave-in conditioner for all hair types. It says easy dry, smooth, soften, and seal cuticles. And then we have the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly, which is a styling gel for curly and wavy hair. This is medium hold, lightweight, and airy definition. Now, obviously this isn't going to be a full review because I have only used the products once. I really have to say I absolutely love these products so far. This is like my dream product routine. We have a cream that is not heavy, but it's still moisturizing. It softens the hair. And then we have this gel that again has that moisturizing properties, but it's very lightweight. It does give a nice medium hold. It doesn't leave your hair crunchy. The frizz control is amazing. I really didn't notice any frizz today or yesterday. The definition held up like pretty well for my hair for into second day, so I absolutely love these products so far. I really don't have anything bad to say about them. I am really excited to keep using them. I do feel like this is going to be my go-to curl combination. I will keep you guys updated. I'm sure you will see these products in more videos to come, but if you would like to see how I styled my hair using these two products, then just go ahead and keep on watching.
Starting with this new brush I got from Ulta, I am going to detangle my hair. I really like this brush so far. My hair glides through it it glides through my hair really easily. So I definitely do like it. I'm going to section off my bangs and then clip them up so we can deal with those last. And I just want to quickly wet my hair a little more because the instructions for these products specifically say to apply on soaking hair. So I'm starting by raking the air dry cream through my hair. I'm not sectioning it or anything. And then I'm just going to brush my hair to distribute the product and then kind of just gather it all in one and start scrunching from there. I wanted to do a really simple routine that didn't involve a lot of like sectioning and was time consuming to apply product. So I'm just really scrunching this in my hair, and then I'm going to be taking the gel and just sliding this over, trying not to disturb too much of the scrunching that I just did, and then I will continue to scrunch some more. Now, once we get to the bangs, I'm going to repeat the same two steps. So I'm taking a little bit of the cream and then a little bit of the gel. And then I'm just doing some like rough finger coiling. I don't really have a method to this. I just kind of, twist random sections and just see what happens. I definitely roll the dice with my bangs a lot. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So once I do that, I'm going to give my hair a final scrunch. And for some added volume, I'm going to clip my roots and then let my hair air dry for like 30 minutes before going in and diffusing. Now, to start with diffusing, I'm just going to hit the roots at first, and then I'm going to remove the clips and just continue to diffuse the ends and the rest of the length of my hair. I do only diffuse to like 70% dry, so I do let my hair settle for like an hour or two before I go in and then shake it out and, you know, fluff it up and add some volume. So this is what day 1 looked like. I really love the results from these products. So that night I did put my hair in a pineapple. I let my bangs just kind of stay out. And this is what the second day hair is looking like. So I'm going to add a little bit of water just to dampen my hair a bit, and then go in with a little bit more of the cream just to help with any of like the frizz and just add a little bit more moisture. Then I took some of the gel, mixed in water, and applied that to my hair just to make the product a little bit thinner since my hair isn't really wet or anything. Then I do like to let my hair air dry, and once it is totally dry, I will go ahead and scrunch and fluff, and that is the final second day hair look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.